actually went below. So my good friend Stuart here is going to hand launch the new Durafly RACER for me. Fairly easy, Stuart. It's got quite a bit of power.
I've noticed in the last flight, yeah.
It was pretty good, and we got 114.8 miles per hour on that flight. So we're going to see if we can. We'll go higher this time, higher and dive, and then see if it will go even quicker.
I'm sure it will.
All right.
Downwind.
It will be for you. Whoa! Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, here we go. That's 105. All right, here we go. $110. And again. I think I actually went below. 126 miles an hour. I don't think I'm going to beat that. Landing. Oh my God. Slide forever. All right, back in a moment. Hold on.
Sorry, fast forward.
So, I don't know whether Sam would have caught that, but you notice here at this club the field slopes from left to right, and slopes away actually the other way at the top of the field. And when I did that last pass, I actually went below the ridge, and I didn't think it was going to come back. But on that pass, I got 126.2 miles an hour according to the GPS sensor. That is pretty quick for something this small on 4S. So there you go. If you want a bit of speed fun, then this is going to be on hobbyking.com. The link is in the video description and the pinned comment. Thanks to Sam for filming. Thanks to Stuart for launching. Be back soon on Essential RC. Thanks. So just to add, what we've just seen and I've noticed is I've taken the tips off the blades. So when I did that low pass, the lowest point, I actually took off the tips of the blades, and you notice from behind that the tip of the blade is low, about an inch lower than the underneath of the belly of this RACER. So that's how close I was to the ground before I pulled up. Close call, I would say, that one, but worth it. Worth it for the 126 miles an hour. Can anyone else out there beat that record? We'll see. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. I think I actually went below 126 miles an hour. I don't think I'm going to beat that.